Do you use Google? No.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you all how much Google is watching you and what records they're keeping on you. Now everyone knows Google is everywhere: websites, email, maps, finance, YouTube, just to name a few. Some of you will also be aware that Android is owned by Google, others may not know this. But what I'm about to show you will affect anyone who has a Google account. That includes Gmail, YouTube if you run your own channel, Android mobile phones, Google Plus social media account, any of those, and this will affect you. Now, the website I'm going to show you is history.google.com/history. Now type that into your web browser, press enter, you'll be prompted to log in with your Gmail or your Google account. So when you do that, it will take you straight through to the web and app activity page straight away. And this basically will allow you to look at your past searches and the content that you've browsed in Chrome or any other application that is owned or made by Google or allows Google to track that information. So looking at mine, you can actually see that, say earlier today, I searched for keto snacks Tesco. So that's a type of diet snack food, and I was looking on Reddit to see what that's doing. But not only that, it will also track whereabouts you were when you searched for that. So you'll see it says here, while near. If I click on that, it will actually load up Google Maps and tell me exactly where I was. So if I were to click on that, it would actually show me where my house is. But obviously, just for safety and security, I'm not going to click on that for you guys. But go ahead, and if you've got this sort of history, do that. Bear in mind, these records go back as far as you have ever allowed them. So I've recently actually cleared the entire cache, and I found that the actual history went all the way back to 2009. But 2009, right, that isn't just web and app activity. That's when I've ever done voice and audio searches, what mobile phones I've used, whereabouts I've actually used those mobile phones, or whenever I've connected to the internet and logged in, whatever I've looked for on YouTube, or whatever I've actually watched on YouTube. All of this stuff is kept for as long as I've ever had a Gmail account or a Google account. But anyway, enough of me rambling on about that. What I want to show you guys is, one, if you want to delete this information, a lot of stuff you'll read online if you actually Google this stuff, it'll basically say like, oh, you can only delete like one day at a time. If you want to actually delete everything, then all you need to do is come up to the three dots in the top right corner here, choose delete options, advanced, then hit the select date, and then just choose all time. From there, press delete. It'll give you a quick warning message, press delete again, that's everything gone. But that's just for that page, that's just your web and app activity. So to show you what I mean when I say it was a bit kind of frightening how much data they actually record on me, when we go over to the voice and audio activity, you'll see if I actually scroll back here, I've got stuff going back to July 11th, 2015, where I've used OK Google and I've searched for multiplication, for example. And the worrying thing about that is it's not just recorded the search, it's also recorded my voice. So if I press play, almost this time last year, I asked Google, what is 225 divided by 4? He gave me the answer out loud, brilliant. But what I didn't actually know back then is it was recording my voice. That's a little bit beyond my comfort zone, to be quite honest. So again, if you wanted to delete it, it's exactly the same options of delete options, advanced, hit the head date, all time, delete, you get the warning message, go again. Now, it's exactly the same device information. Like I said, it records the actual devices that you've been using. So it tells you here what network I'm on. So that's 3 mobile, and I'm using a 1+1 phone. Now, it doesn't actually give any more information than that. So that didn't bother me that time. But again, it knows what mobile network it is. It knows whereabouts I am. It records my voice when I'm searching. And it also records whereabouts I am when I'm searching. So when I go onto my location history, it's recorded everywhere I've checked in. It'll load up a quick timeline, and it will actually just show a bit of information on what's actually going on. So it tells me, or it knows, sorry, I should say, when I've been to Dublin, when I've been up to Edinburgh, when I've been in and around London, when I've moved up towards Leicester, when I've been around, and that goes back for years. It'll also give me a home and work location. Now this helps with Google Maps when you're actually traveling up and down the country and stuff. But I never asked it to record when I was going to Dublin or Edinburgh, but again, these are parts of the T's and C's. It's not like a scaremongering this video, it's purely just to show you how much Google is actually recording on you. Now back on the actual page, other than location history, it's your YouTube watch history and your search history. So even if you've been onto YouTube and you've cleared your watch history and your search history, that's fine, that's been deleted from YouTube, but it hasn't been deleted from the Google history pages. All the information is still there, and it's still all there to actually be read. So I'm interested to know from you guys, what did you think about Google? Did you actually know about this? Does it bother you? Have you then gone and changed it already? You know, drop a comment below, let me know, because I'll be interested just to see what you guys actually think about this, if you knew about it or if you didn't, and what are your thoughts on the whole sort of like privacy thing. So if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, or just drop a comment in below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time.